This video right here is a review of the Locket app. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Locket app and everything you need to know about the app. So now let's start. So just like you can see the interface, it looks just like Snapchat, very much simple and easy to use. So now let's start touring on this app. So let's first tap on the friends here. You see the arrow on your screen. So when you tap on that, you can invite friends on your contacts that have Locket installed and registered, or you can even invite people that are on different apps that have not yet downloaded Locket yet. So now let's go to the bottom here, and now you can see our top right corner of our screen. You can see chat here, just like Snapchat. You can text people here. There's a new app, so I don't have any friends here, but then if I had messages, all of them will pop up here. And your history, when you scroll to the top, you can see history here. Scroll to the top, you're going to see your kind of snaps or pictures and videos you've taken using the Locket app. And now let's tap on our account profile at the top left corner of our screen here. So you can see that's our profile picture there. You can tap on the edit profile to edit your profile picture. You see, you can delete it, add a new one, and choose from your library too as well. And you can go on Locket Gold just like Snapchat Premium. I have a tutorial on how you can go on Snapchat Premium, and you can also invite friends from here too as well. So that's my username, the MIC Tafari, and you can also add a widget. So I have a tutorial on that. Adding a widget, you are going to add Locket on your home screen. You can do this for iPhones and Android as well. So you just tap on the add widget and you're good to go. And streak on widgets, you can turn it on and off. So here too, you can edit your username and your email you use to sign up for the account. Very much simple and easy. You just tap on that and you're good to go. You start your edits and everything, and the changing of email address to same thing. You just tap on that and you're good to go. You start changing everything like that. So I don't want to change it, so now let's go to the top here. And if you want to make any sort of suggestion, there's a new app, so you can tap on make a suggestion and then tell them what you think have to be added on the app. And you can also find people you've blocked on here, and you can even unblock people from this side too as well. You tap on this, it opens. You are going to see the list of people you've blocked, and you can even unblock them from here. And your account visibility, you can make your account private. When people search your username, they're not going to find it. So you can see this account is private. When you tap it like this, you turn it on, people can find you when they search your name on Locket, something like that. And that's it. And also you can delete your account. Every profile or every software, you can delete your account. So you tap on the delete account here. Follow the procedure. I have a tutorial on that. You just choose the reason why you're trying to delete and you're good to go with this. You tap on the delete here. You need to enter the delete full caps. Delete like this. After that, you proceed and you enter your password. You delete it. You can also sign out just like you can do on other apps too as well. So I think that's it. And you can also share the Locket too on different apps. There's a new app. So definitely it's going to be popular in the near future. So that's it on how you can use the Locket app. There's a review on the Locket app. If you have any question, you let me know in the comment section. That's it for the video. If you're new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.